Constant changes in the automotive world means that INEOS is always evolving also. The same goes for our products. One of the newest changes to our product lineup is the reformulation of our 75W90. As most vehicles have moved to automatic transmissions and differentials have started requiring different viscosities, the use of our original 75W90 has slowed. Again, using our decades of R&D with the automakers, we re-engineered our 75W90 using a Group 4 base oil plus ester to achieve the highest performance possible. We also created the ability to use this in all types of differentials requiring API GL5, including the limited slip differential. Out of this technology, we are now able to use this gear oil for all the following applications: 75W, 75W90, 80W, 80W90, 85W, 85W90, and 90 weight gear oil. And I will show you how. Because the low temperature properties of a 75W and high temperature properties of the 90, along with the Group 4 plus ester base oil, allows for the expanded applications. The pyramid helps illustrate how this is possible by showing that all of the listed viscosities fall in between the low 75 and high 90, which allows for this expanded usage.